So this afternoon, I'm in Hayward, California, and I'm checking out a spot called Red Chili Thai and Vietnamese restaurant. It has Thai food, Vietnamese food, but the objective of the video today is to try the Pad Pri King. The Pad Pri King has green beans, bell peppers, and a Pri King chili sauce. And I'm going for the ground beef option. The craziness of this meal is that I'm gonna order it like extreme Thai spice, like the spices you can have their food here.
Dude, look at my face.
Leveled up Thai spice fire. And you probably noticed the star on my lip. I have a pimple right here, like a sticker that treats the pimple. So also meet up a friend. And, that's about it. Let's go ahead and check out the restaurant right now. Looks like I got here before they opened, so didn't want to wait in the car. It's really hot right outside right now, so just came into the restaurant. Hopefully we can order something soon. All right, just took the seat. It's about 4:30, so they're supposed to be open. At least there's people here who are kind of setting things up. What's up, Rich? So my buddy Rich is here. We're gonna have some red chili Thai Vietnamese, and I mentioned I'm actually gonna do the like extreme spicy Pad Pri King.
It's all you. I ain't touching that.
This is gonna be hot, man. Okay, Pad Pri King ground beef.
No, extra hot is.
Is that the Thai level extreme?
Yes.
So mild, medium, hot, and extra hot.
Yes.
Okay, so that's kind of like the Thai level, like extra hot. Rice, papaya salad.
Papaya.
Yeah, can you add crab on that? The crab edition, salted crab on it. Papaya salad. It's not gonna be that hot.
Says the one who likes hot things.
It's a ground beef, huh?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Ooh, nice, Rich. You happy?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get some rice first. Rich, you sure you don't want any?
I'm positive.
Some rice. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and this is it. Pad Pri King. Not mild, not medium, not hot, but extreme. Very, very hot. The hottest they have here. Thai level spice. Extreme fire. All right, let's put it on top of the rice. All right, let's give that a bite. First bite here at Red Chili, Pad Pri King. Super spicy. That looks good right there. That looks like a good bite. Bite. Oh, man. Okay, before that creeps in, let's take another bite because you instantly feel that heat going down your throat. That spice is kind of building, like a slow burn, but it's building up right now. So I want to bite some more. Let's do this. Bite. Woo.
I'm sure it's good.
It was good. I mean, I enjoy the flavor of the Pad Pri King chili sauce. I enjoy the flavor, but you definitely get a kick from this dish, dude. Ugh, okay. Yeah, the ground beef, the green beans, bell pepper, great addition to this Pad Pri King meal. Spicy Pad Pri King. No one bite?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Oh man.
I got boundaries.
Oh my gosh. He said my head is starting to sweat. Yeah. There's droplets on my nose. I'm starting to perspire. I felt some tingling sensation. That's hot. Try this to cool it down. This is the pad thai with salted crab. I'm actually getting kind of clumsy right now because the heat is building. Let's put that on my plate. On there. All right. Maybe this will help. This is a medium heat right here. Let's get that. Try the papaya salad. Medium heat. Bite. All right, salted crab. Oh yeah. That was yummy. Salty, sweet. Papaya salad is a refreshing dish. Tomatoes, papaya, carrots. Yeah, that is pickled to perfection. Yummy. I'm dripping. A little bit more rice.
There's no amount of money you can give me. Caroline, there is an amount of money. But
Okay, we're going for the second round. Oh my gosh, dude. Rich, this is crazy. What am I doing? I'm like just dripping. I'm like showered. I'm like, it is. Oh, it is hot, spicy. Here we go. That's a lot of hot stuff right there. The ground beef, the chili sauce, spice, the green bean. Bite. Ooh. It's like way too hot for you, like with extreme hot, because you got hot off of that one.
yeah,
So this would be like,
I have taste buds. I listen to my pain receptors.
yeah, I don't listen. I destroy my pain receptors. All right, I just finished that right there. Let me give you a recap, or not recap, but an update of where I am right now. Burning inside my throat, my lips, my tongue. Gradually going down to my stomach. And my face feels like tingly, like zingy, you know? And obviously I'm still perspiring. But I think it's the mouth right now. This area here is just on fire. This is what usually happens is I start getting clumsy when I'm burning like this. I'm getting clumsy right now. All right, papaya salad, just to help cool it down. Even though this is medium spice. Wait. Oh. Give me a second here. Salted crab. But that's still good. All right, third round. Let's go. I'm not dizzy, but I feel lightheaded. Oh. That's it. Red chili, Thai, Vietnamese, Hayward, right? Hayward, some spicy dishes. Check them out if you're ever in the area. Later, bye, done.